Firecracker review too. Hopefully some fireworks this time. Mom, when are we gonna light them?
Now?
No.
Is that a good answer? Which one do you want first?
I want this one.
You want to do the honest firefighter?
Huh?
You want to do the honest firefighter?
Mom, the sky looks like
I
static.
don't know which one you said first.
Mom, the sky looks like static.
We're gonna sit in that just drop our road.
Yeah, I don't know.
From my camera, it looks like static.
It kind of does, doesn't it?
Just doing one at a
Yeah.
time and do them all.
One at a time, one at a time.
There you go, one at a time.
Yeah, one at a time.
You ready?
Yeah. Back up. Go, go, go. Yay. Oh, crap. Oh no, is that a car coming? Oh, okay. We didn't light it on the road this time though. Yeah, we didn't get real fireworks. Yeah. Oh, wait, there's a car coming.
I'm waiting.
Why are they all driving that way? Why are they all driving over there?
I'm not sure, probably maybe that's where the big show is.
Ready?
Shall we go over there? Oh! Wow, there's a lot of cars. Oh. Mom, can we go over there and maybe I can record
You want to
another
finish these or
video?
you want to go over there?
I want to finish these.
Okay.
Let's launch my big one after.
That was pretty cool.
It sounds like really loud baseball bats. That's what I always think it is for some reason. Which is this one?
That one.
Oh, the ground ate it, maybe? Yeah, I think the ground ate it. I like how it's a lot more calmer when Maya isn't here. This one might be a real one because it looks big. Oh God! Wow!
You want to do that one?
I didn't think I got a good shot of that though. I kind of ran. Yeah, that was huge. Oh, it's the sun.
That's all they got for today.
Oh crap, can we go over there?
Yeah, let me get my drink.
Maybe?
No. Let's see what I do.
I'll take that too.
Okay, should I stop it?
The video, yeah.
Alright.